Let's run through the steps to start an LLC in New Jersey so you can create an LLC on your own. But if you find it overwhelming and want to save time, I'll also show you later on this video how in just a few minutes you can give all of your information to a formation service and they'll form the LLC for you. Step 1, name your LLC. When choosing an LLC name, keep in mind the following rules. The LLC name must end with LLC, L.L.C. or Limited Liability Company, all written out. Avoid names that might suggest your business is something that's not like a government agency, bank, or insurance company. The name of a limited liability company shall not contain any word or phrase or any abbreviation or derivative thereof, the use of which is prohibited or restricted by any other statute of this state, unless the limited liability company has complied with the restrictions. I know that sounds really vague, but that's word for word what the law says. Most importantly, the name must be unique. You can make sure there's not already a business in New Jersey using the name by searching for your business name on this page, linked below. For example, you'll probably have difficulties naming your business Chipotle. Step 2, select a registered agent. This is a person or business that will receive important legal documents and notices from the state on your behalf and forward them to you. This address will be listed publicly, so I wouldn't recommend being your own registered agent and using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and it can't be a P.O. box. If you want to keep your address private, or you don't want to have to be at a particular address Monday to Friday during business hours, we recommend you hire a registered agent. On this channel, we've reviewed multiple registered agent services, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. They charge $125 per year, but you can get the first year for free if you work with them to form your LLC, which will cost $39 on top of the state fee. You'll find a link to Northwest website in the description below. Step 3, submit certificate of formation. You'll find the online form on the New Jersey Department of Treasury Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services website, linked to this page below. First, you'll have to confirm the business name is available, then enter the effective date, the date in which your LLC will be created, the duration, how long you'll operate the LLC, leave this blank if it's indefinitely, business purpose, business address, registered agent name and address, member name and address, other optional fields, and then sign the application. After going through the online application, you'll pay a fee of $125 plus a processing fee, $350 credit card service fee, or $1 e-check service fee. Step 4, obtain an employer identification number, EIN. This may also be referred to as a federal tax ID. Think of it as a social security number for your business. If you're the only owner of the LLC and you won't have any employees, you could use your social security number instead of an EIN, but in most cases it's better to have one. You may need one for banking, taxes, and for hiring employees. Also in New Jersey specifically, you'll need one for the next step. The application process is pretty straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes on the IRS's website. We have a video that'll walk you through how to get your EIN, link down below. Step 5, file the tax employer registration form, Form NJ Reg. After submitting the certificate of formation, you'll need to file this form online. To do that, you'll need your New Jersey Business Entity ID, which you'll receive after filing their certificate of formation, and you'll need your business's EIN. Step 6, create an operating agreement. This document will state how your LLC will be managed. New Jersey law doesn't require you to have one, but I recommend creating one even if you're the only member of your LLC. Banks may ask for a copy of your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account. If you have a complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement. But in many cases, especially if it's just you, you can use one of Northwest Registered Agent's free operating agreement templates from this page, linked below. Step 7, open a business bank account. This will allow you to better keep your personal assets and business assets completely separate. It will allow you to more easily manage your finances and will help you maintain the liability protection your LLC provides. We have this video that you'll find down below that'll walk you through how to open your account. Step 8, file a beneficial ownership information report with the Treasury Department's FinCEN. This is something new in 2024. This report discloses information of the primary owners of your LLC. In 2024, you have 90 days after forming your LLC to submit this form. In 2025, it must be submitted within 30 days of creating your LLC. Step 9, file an annual report with the New Jersey Division of Revenue. This document keeps the state updated on any changes to the LLC's ownership and contact information. You'll need to file this each year by the end of the month your LLC was formed. For example, if you formed your LLC today, when I'm recording this video, October 16, 2024, you'll need to file your annual report each year starting next year before October 31st. You also need to pay a fee of $75 when you file your annual report. You need to file this online on this page, link down below. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business, and all these steps could sound overwhelming. The Department of Treasury's website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it on your own, as I just described, or paying a lawyer potentially thousands of dollars, I recommend working with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly, and it'll only take a handful of minutes. Our favorite registered agent and formation service is Northwest Registered Agent. As I mentioned earlier, they'll help you form your LLC for $39 on top of the fee paid to the state. You'll also get their registered agent service for free for the first year and a free operating agreement template, something other formation services charge around $90 or $100 for. Now I want to quickly show you how in just a matter of minutes you can create your LLC with Northwest. If you use our affiliate link in the description, you'll come to a page that looks like this. By using the link in the description, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you like our content, it's a great way to support the channel. Click Get Started. Choose the type of business you'd like to start. We're forming an LLC, which has already been selected. Scroll down to select New Jersey as the state to form the LLC. In the state of New Jersey, standard LLC processing time is 5 days and costs $130, including the credit card fee. If you'd like it processed faster, you can update that here. Then down below, select if you'd like to have Northwest file your beneficial ownership information report for an additional $25. Click Continue. Enter the name of your LLC. If you have an attorney and you'd like to have them receive a copy of lawsuits and other legal notices, select Yes and enter their email. Otherwise, leave it as No. Write your business purpose, what your business will do. I'll write Business Strategy Consulting. Select which physical address and mailing address you'd like to record with the state. I'll use our registered agent's address for both. Click Continue. How will your LLC be managed? Will it be member managed or manager managed? Will the members or owners manage the business, or will you elect a manager to run the day-to-day operations of the business for you? If at any point you have questions, you can click on the question icon to learn more. If you continue to have any questions or need assistance, you'll see their phone number listed here, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. Here you have the option to include or omit the names of the members of the LLC. If you click the question icon, you'll see that if you omit them, you may have difficulties opening a business bank account. I'm the face of my business, so I don't mind if my name is listed as an LLC member. Here, I'll enter my name and use the registered agent's address as the address to record with the state. If you have additional LLC members, click Add Member, enter their information, and when you're done, click Continue. Enter your contact information on this screen, name, phone number, and mailing address. Then enter your email and create a password to set up your Northwest account. Here, you can get a 90-day trial for their business identity package. This is a good point to mention. We have a training that'll walk you through everything you need to start your business, like a domain, logo, website, business email, business bank account, and more. If you'd like to access this free training, sign up using the link in the description below. I'll turn off this free trial, and I'm not going to add any of the options on this page. One of the things I really like about Northwest is that you can add anything you'd like individually. You aren't forced into purchasing an expensive package that includes a lot of things you don't need or want just to get the one thing you do want. Here you can individually add a tax ID, S-Corp election with the IRS, mail services, or trademark service. A few things I would consider. The tax ID. Northwest will get your EIN for you for $50 if you have a Social Security number. If you want to do it on your own, again, the video in the description will show you how, but if you don't want to deal with the hassle and you're fine paying an extra $50, you can add that right here. S-Corp election. If you're just starting your business, you probably don't need this now, but one of the advantages of having an LLC is that later on you can decide to have your LLC taxed as an S-Corp. This can help you save money on taxes, but normally it doesn't make sense until after your business is earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 a year in profit. You'll find a video about S-Corps in the description. Another thing you may want is a virtual office or mail forwarding. Unfortunately, Northwest doesn't offer this service in New Jersey. If you need a virtual mailbox, down below you'll find a link to Anytime Mailbox, a popular virtual mailbox service with multiple virtual mailbox locations in New Jersey. Then the last step is to enter your payment information and click Done. In just a handful of days, with the help of Northwest, you'll have your new LLC. If you'd like to have Northwest help creating your LLC and you want to support our channel, don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description below when you go to form your LLC. After your LLC has been created, the next thing you'll want is a business bank account. Learn how to open that in the video up above, or learn down below the dozen things you'll need when starting a new business. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.